In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal balance. Whether you're managing your finances on the go or from the comfort of your own home, keeping an eye on your PayPal balance is crucial. Let's walk through the process together in simple, easy to follow steps. First off, you'll need to access the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in paypal.com. This will take you to PayPal's homepage, where you can access a variety of features, including your balance information. Once you're at the PayPal homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will direct you to the login screen. Here you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password to securely access your account. Make sure these are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you might be prompted for a second layer of authentication. This is where the get a WhatsApp text or get a text option comes into play. If prompted, choose the method that you prefer, and PayPal will send you a verification code via a text message. Enter this code promptly to verify your identity. This step helps ensure that only you have access to your account. Once you've completed the authentication process, navigate to the PayPal home screen. Here you might already see a quick overview of your account. However, to delve deeper into your balance, you'll need to click on Manage Currencies. This is essential if you're dealing with multiple currencies in your account, as it provides a clearer picture of what you have available in each currency. At this point, you should see a detailed view of your PayPal balance. This includes any funds you may have and the different currencies available if you manage multiple. Viewing your balances on PayPal is quite straightforward, as everything is laid out in an easy to read format. Remember, keeping track of your PayPal balance regularly can help you manage your spending and ensure you always have enough funds for your needs. Plus, familiarity with this process can make your future transactions quicker and more efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your finances just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.